Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy books using a scanner or printer like this. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So let's jump into it. First, you have to go to the copy menu of your printer, and in the copy menu, you just have to tap on edit. This touch screen is a little bit slow, but it works. And when you go to edit, you can choose from all these options that are specifically made for scanning books. This way you can erase the center of your book, so when you place your book inside the scanner, it's going to remove the center page and it is going to print it like it is in one page, or you can scan it in a dual page mode, which means that it is going to print the different pages of the book in separate papers, which is pretty much the best option. You can also choose it to be one or two-sided, and that's pretty much it. Then you have to open the lid, place your book inside, and start copying it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.